chest. One pulls back, one says rest. Old ghosts call my name. New skies feel the same. I stand still, but I move. Lose one world just to choose between two ends. I almost ran back to the dust where it began, but something here won't let me bend. I cut the past. This is the end. This is the end. Familiar pain, safe and known, like a cage I called home. Empty crowns, burned out kings. I've seen what that world brings. No more loops, no return. Let it die, let it burn. Between two ends, I chose to fall. Left the echo of it all. No more voices pulling me back. I stay right here off the track. Maybe I was never lost. Maybe the cost was just to see there's no before that fits me anymore. Between two ends, I finally stand. No turning back, no second plan. The road behind has no more sound. I stay in this ground.